You aped in. 40 minutes later the chart went vertical, straight down to zero. And you keep telling yourself you just got unlucky. You didn't get unlucky. You got rugged. And here's the thing nobody told you, a rug pull is something you can see coming. So let me give you the 30-second checklist that spots a rug before you ever hit buy. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. You don't lose to rugs because you're unlucky. You lose because you're in a hurry. You see a green candle and a telegram full of rockets, and your brain skips the one step that would have saved you. The checking step. The boring 30 seconds that feels too slow when everyone's screaming buy. A rug isn't magic. It's a setup. Somebody built the trap before you ever found the coin. The dev didn't wake up evil at noon. He coded the exit the same hour he coded the launch. The liquidity, the wallets, the supply, it was all visible the whole time. On chain. In public. You just didn't look. That's the brutal part. The information that would have saved your money was free and sitting right there. So stop trading on vibes. Vibes are how they catch you. A checklist is how you catch them first. Tip 1. Check if the liquidity is locked. Liquidity is the money in the pool that lets you actually sell. If the dev can yank it out whenever he wants, then your coin is a hostage. No locked liquidity, no exit. You're holding a token you can never cash out. Unlocked liquidity is the whole rug in one line. Tip 2. Look at the dev wallet. If one wallet is holding 30, 40, 50% of the supply, that's not a coin. That's a countdown. One sell from that wallet and the price is gone, and you, my friend, are the exit liquidity he sold into. Tip 3. Make sure the mint authority is revoked. Mint authority means the dev can create new tokens out of thin air. If it's not revoked, he can print infinite supply and dump it straight onto your head. No cap means no floor. Revoked mint is the difference between a coin and a printing press pointed at you. Tip 4. Read the volume, don't trust it. Real volume comes from hundreds of different wallets buying on their own. Fake volume is the same 5 bots passing the coin back and forth to fake a crowd. And if the only buzz is one paid influencer who appeared overnight, that's not a signal. That's the bait. Real demand doesn't need a megaphone. Now here's what actually does the checking for you. The terminal I use is Axiom. Before I touch a coin, I pull up the holder distribution, and I can see, in seconds, if one wallet owns half the supply. I track the wallets too. So I can tell the real buyers from the same bots faking the volume. The crowd either exists or it doesn't. And the safety checks, liquidity, mint authority, they're right there on the screen, before I ape, not after I get rugged. That's the whole shift. You stop gambling on what a coin looks like and you start seeing what it actually is. Quick honesty, because you deserve it. This is not financial advice. Meme coins are extremely high risk, most people who touch them lose. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. Ever. If you want the same setup I use to check a coin before I buy, the link's in the description. So let's go back to that coin that went straight to zero. It didn't rug because you were unlucky. It rugged because you skipped the 30 seconds that would have shown you the trap. Liquidity locked. Dev wallet small. Mint revoked. Volume real. 4 checks. 30 seconds. That's the entire defense. You don't avoid rugs with luck. You avoid them with a checklist. Luck runs out. A checklist doesn't. Run the checklist before you ape, every single time. No exceptions, no FOMO skips. Subscribe and I'll keep making you a sharper trader one video at a time.